tested some damp conditions with some different tires, and that was fun. I don't really have much wet weather experience, so that was cool to kind of figure that out. And honestly, didn't drive like way different. You could still slow down good, turn good. Drive off was easy to spin your tires, but other than that, it was kind of fun to chase the grip throughout the portions when it would start drying. So it was pretty fun, and yeah, I mean, I think they've got a good product that we could honestly start racing with right away if we needed to on these short tracks. So good day testing here in Martinsville. Ready to come back next week and hopefully have a fast car and do a good job. See ya.